Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today's topic is one that has been the talk of the town. Will AI replace bankers? It's a question that has sparked debates and raised concerns. But let's not jump to conclusions just yet. In this clip, we'll explore the human AI collaboration model and how it's shaping the future of banking. First, let's address the elephant in the room: the fear that AI will completely take over and eliminate the need for human bankers. While it's true that AI has the potential to automate certain tasks and improve efficiency, it cannot replace the human touch. Customers still value the personalized and empathetic approach that only humans can offer. This is where the human AI collaboration model comes into play. The key insight here is that AI and humans working together can create a powerful force in the banking industry. AI can assist bankers with data analysis and decision making, freeing up their time to focus on building relationships with customers. This collaboration allows for a more seamless and efficient banking experience for both the customers and the bankers. But it's not just about efficiency. AI can also help bankers make better decisions by providing them with real-time insights and predictive analytics. This not only improves the overall banking experience, but also helps banks make more informed decisions and reduce risks. Now, if you're a tech-savvy individual, you might be wondering, how can I be a part of this collaboration? Well, the first step is to embrace technology and continuously upgrade your skills. With the rapid advancements in AI, it's essential for bankers to stay updated and adapt to new technologies. This will not only make them more valuable to their organizations, but also increase their job security in an ever-evolving industry. So what can we take away from this discussion? AI will not replace bankers, but rather, it will enhance their capabilities and improve the banking experience for everyone involved. To be a part of this collaboration, we need to embrace technology and continuously upgrade our skills. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.